Hey, so does Shopify integrate with Xero? And the answer is yes. And there's a really cool connector and integration app that can help you do just that. It's called Link My Books. In the description of the video, you are going to find a free trial of Link My Books, special link, along with free onboarding and best coupon code to save money on Link My Books, plus tutorial videos that show you how to use it. So Link My Books can help you with Shopify integration, sync Shopify payments or payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, and summarize all other payment gateway sales too. So Link My Books is like accounting and bookkeeping software, accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks. It also works with QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Again, free trial, free onboarding, link in the description with the best discount. There are other integrations of Link My Books, so you can connect between Shopify and Xero or QuickBooks, but also it works with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce. Another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers and also accountants that are handling e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, then I invite you to check out this video down in the description of the video, where myself, great to meet you, Vova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books in this 30-minute A to Z tutorial, where we explain you all the process of how to use Link My Books from A to Z, step by step. Now, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper that is handling e-commerce clients, then we have another video for you with Daniel Little. And in this video, it's a 41-minute tutorial that shows you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. So if you are a bookkeeper or an accountant, you will understand exactly how to use Link My Books to help you with your accounting or bookkeeping business. So again, if you're looking to connect between Shopify and Xero, it's possible with the power of Link My Books, accounting bookkeeping software. Link is in the description for free trial and also free onboarding. And the best coupon code is going to be an affiliate link. Means that if you ever do business with the guys at Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. And I do appreciate that a lot. I appreciate your support of my free content. My name is Vova Evan, Amazon seller. You can also find me at vovaevan.com on my blog, where we have over 600 blog posts for you, mostly for e-commerce sellers and Amazon sellers. So welcome and have a great day. All the links are in the description. Good luck to you.